Did you know that you could be double counting your Google Ads conversions and not know it? Hi, this is Sarah from MAKROZ, and I want to walk through something that I see quite often in a lot of the accounts that we audit, and that is having more than one primary conversion for conversion group. You can see right now that I am in the Zato account and I went to the goals section and I am looking at the goals summary. Now, these are what we call conversion groupings. You have purchase, submit lead form, sign up, engagement, outbound click, YouTube follow on goals, and then there's also custom goals. Now, custom goals won't necessarily apply to these rules, so let's focus on specifically these different conversion groupings. Now, you'll notice instantly that some of them say primary and some of them say secondary. So, this, for example, is a primary conversion goal. Now, the important thing to note about primary conversion actions is they're used to optimize your bidding strategy. Now, if you have a conversion goal that's set as secondary, for example, this one, it's not used to optimize your smart bidding strategy. Essentially, it's a background goal. And if you want to view data associated with this goal in your Google Ads campaigns, you have to make sure you add the all conversions column. Now, having more than one primary conversion action within a conversion grouping can result in double counting. We most often see this in the purchase section. So, for example, if we had a GA4 by consulting services measurement here, as well as the web by consulting services using the Google Ads tag, and they were both set to primary, essentially they would both be counting the same action. And though they might attribute different times to when that action occurs, because GA4 and Google Ads calculate attribution of conversion differently, we'd still be essentially double counting those conversions. So I want you to take a look in your account, make sure that you don't have more than one in each conversion grouping set to primary, because you could be doing this very thing. And if you have any questions about conversion actions or would like to chat with us more about your Google Ads account, contact us here at MAKROZ.